Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share my journey of creating a project using Langflow and DataStax, which is a part of a hackathon, which is a Level Supermind pre-hackathon by Level Supermind. We are the neural nexus. I also show you how I extracted the code and the GitHub account and what exactly was the project. So basically, the pre-hackathon assignment was of social media performance analysis, and the objective was to develop a basic analytical module using Langflow and DataStax to analyze engagement data from mock social media accounts. For that, they have listed some task-related details. So, uh, going to the Langflow part, we have created a database having around 50 to 100 uh, rows, the data of various social media accounts and their post and the engagement rates. So basically, this is the data stack which in which we are going to do the Langflow part and the Astra DB part. So Langflow is basically a low-code tool to create workflows and integrate with the AI like GPTs. And the other part is the data part, which is for which we have used the data stack, which is a powerful cloud database for storing and querying data. Now as I have created a database for this, I have uploaded the database over here, which is in the file section. And by using the split text, the data set has been divided into two chunks, and it is going to the database, which is the Astra database part, where our actual data will be stored. And the GPT for we are using is the Google Generative AI, which is the Gemini one. And we have put the API key of the Google Generative AI, and this is all about the data stack part. Now comes the model, how we have integrated the database and the GPT. So this is the basically the chat input where the user will put an input like what for what about they have to see, like for reels or whatever the post static post it has. And this is the Google Generative AI, where the GPT which we are using which will help to give the outputs based on our data set and also the user input. And this is the Astra DB. We have included the application token, Astra DB application token. We have created the database and the collection, and we have gone to the parse data, which will convert the data into plain text for a specific template. And the prompt, and here comes the prompt part, where it will take the input from the user and then create a prompt for to get into go for the generative AI to the GPT. And once it get processed in the GPT, it will generate an output for it. And as we can see that it has all, we have just run the code. We'll just rerun it uh, about this. Okay, so it's showing the data Astra data DB built successfully, means our database has been created successfully. And this is the main ChatGPT in which we have integrated it. It has also been, the chat output has been built successfully. So we'll just play group it. We will just go to the new one, and we'll write whatever for whatever post or reels we want to see. So I'll just write reels and post. We'll just give the input, and it will generate an output for it, like according to our database. So likewise, it has given us that the reels are trending with an average engagement rate of 255. Carousel post has slightly higher engagement than static images. Okay, so that was the main part, or we can say the flow. What was exactly was the flow of it? We have uploaded the same code into the our GitHub account of Neural Nexus, and here is the code for it. And we have this is the exact code for it, and the images, and the so there are some readme files where exactly what exactly we have done, whatever what was the tools or the features that we wanted in our project, which was assigned to us, and the requirements. Basically, three requirements are there, and this is the main code. And we have also run that in the Streamlit, which is we have run in the Streamlit, and this is the basic normal UI. Which is there. So we can also try on this. Like, I'll just go with something. Tell me the engage engagement engagement rate of reels and the static uh, posts. We can go for this. We'll just generate the insights. It's just running. And okay, so it has given me what I had said and what inside the bot is giving, like through the GPT-1. Reels have an average engagement rate, and the static images have an average engagement rate. It has given the engagement rate of both. We can try one more. It can be something like just a second. Okay. What is the average engagement rate across all posts? We can try this. What is the average average engagement rate for all posts? What is the average engagement rate of all posts? Okay, we can go with this. We'll just generate the insights, and it has given this is the previous one. It is the chart history which it's showing, and the second question was this: what is the average rate of all posts? The average engagement rate all across posts is 0.195. So this was all about our project of the hackathon, which is the Level Supermind pre-hackathon. uh, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity, Level Supermind Free Hackathon by Level Supermind, that we are having a platform where we can share our knowledge and build hands-on project. Thank you.